In order to keep a safe and sanitary environment in a tattoo and body art facility, it is vital that supplies, equipment, personal protective equipment, in other words PPE, and chemicals are stored properly and labeled appropriately with proper signage. Let's start with discussing the proper storage of machines, instruments, ink, PPE, and supplies used for body art activities. They should be kept in closed storage that is clean, dry, and protected from dust, aerosols, other chemicals, and the potential for cross-contamination. Sterilized instruments need to be placed in clean, dry, labeled, covered containers or stored in a labeled cabinet that can be closed that is protected from dust and water contamination. You should only handle sterilized packages with clean gloves. Touching sterilized packages with bare hands or gloves that have been used in a body art procedure can result in cross-contamination. Pathogens can then be transferred to the sterilized equipment when the packages are opened. Sterile packages should always be evaluated before use. An instrument should never be used if the package is wet, torn, or punctured. Toilet rooms and bathrooms shall not be used for the storage of machines, instruments, ink, PPE, or other supplies used for body art activities. So now let's take a look at chemicals. The most common chemicals in a body art facility are cleaning chemicals and disinfectants. Chemicals, whether they are hazardous or non-hazardous, must be properly labeled and stored at all times. Proper labeling and storage of chemicals can prevent accidental contamination and misuse of a chemical. A manufacturer's label is considered to be the best because it has the common product name, product identifier, the supplier identification, and the GHS pictogram and hazard statements. Never cover up or remove a manufacturer's label or the hazard information. In general, chemicals must be stored in labeled, closed containers in an enclosed storage area that prevents contamination of machines, instruments, ink, PPE equipment, supplies, and work surfaces. Chemicals must be used in a manner consistent with the manufacturer's labeling. Now, for biohazardous waste or sharps containers, warning labels must be attached to all containers used for the storage or transport of potentially infectious materials. The labels must be orange or red-orange with the biohazard symbol in a contrasting color. Each procedure area shall have a container for the disposal of sharps waste that is rigid, puncture-resistant, leak-proof, and that is closable and sealable. The container must be labeled with the words sharps waste or with the International Biohazard symbol and the word biohazard. Bags or containers of regulated waste or bags or containers of contaminated laundry must also be labeled with the biohazard symbol and that word.